Hello again. Today I'm going to talk about a relatively new procedure of thumb-based replacement for arthritis affecting the thumb. This is quite a common condition, especially in women over the age of 50, and can be quite disabling. The initial treatment is non-operative in the form of steroid injections, splints, and activity modification, as well as taking painkillers. Traditionally, a trapeziectomy where we remove the bone has provided good functional results, but patients often complain of still ongoing weakness in the grip and some shortening of the thumb. CMC replacement has increased over the last few years, has been around for over 10 years now. This study, published in 2024, looked at 10-year clinical as well as radiological outcomes with an average age of 67 years and looked at pain relief, restoration of strength, as well as the longevity of the implant. The study found significant improvement of the function going back to near normal with improvement in the range of motion as well as the strength. Nearly 90% of the implants were still in situ and functioning well. The study shows that it's a reliable long-term option in this condition. 8 out of the 76 required revision. Some of these were minor and the fractures healed well with the cast. It's a safe and well-tolerated procedure, which I'm pleased to offer to patients in the appropriate selection. In my practice, clinical decisions are driven by preoperative pain and functional limitation and not a chronological age. Preoperative optimization is required, and it's always a shared decision-making at discussing the options of arthroplasty versus a other treatment. I offer clinics across Kent and southeast of London where undertake a detailed assessment and, following a shared decision process, advise the correct intervention. This procedure is performed as a day case at the 2 hospitals I work at. Contact details as below.